Sense,
Have fun.
where are you going to?
Yeah, I'm traveling. I want to explore Nigeria, so I'm going on a local tour.
Oh, wow. I beg, Sense,
Yes.
can I follow you?
You can follow me now, but you be on your own or your.
I beg now, Sense.
I don't blame you. It's just because I'm answering you.
Okay, Sense, one question.
Yes.
Is it true you know how to count in French?
We on the.
What? Hondo State.
But on a serious note, I'm tired of this city. This red hot sun. It's giving me red light anyhow. No wonder it's called Abuja.
Abu is red.
Guy, allow me now. I want to start my journey now. Zamfara.
Huh? Sense, are you okay?
Maybe it's the jet lag. You know, I just came back from lag.
That's giddy.
But don't worry. I'll go to Nasarawa to see whether I'm laughing enough to travel.
Okay.
Chill. Ben is calling me.
All right.
Hello, Ben. Ben wants to show me the way.
Really?
Ben way.
Benway. Talk to him.
You are taking me to Port Harcourt where there are so many rivers. Don't worry. I can cross any river. You know I'm from Calabar. Guy, what are you wearing?
Ha, sure now.
Do you know DJ AB?
No.
Then why are you wearing Crocs?
Croc City, bro. Croc City.
Then this guy, my friend, was telling me about MK.
Do you mean MK Abiola?
Why are you a fool? Mortal Kombat now.
Oh, I don't know game now.
Oh, he said that there's a character called Kano.
I don't know him.
Shall I just Jalingo?
Sense, wait.
What? Guy, I'll call my Jigawa people to stone me.
No, I just want to ask you if you are using bus or train.
Why are you asking me? Like the Kwara people, I'm using a lorry.